Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a lot about the term summation. Summation is a basic of mathematics. It's just like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, but slightly complex and a bit hard to understand. But in this video, I hope you understand it, at least the basics. So let's start by a sample problem. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 100. So you can see the 3 dots. That means all the natural numbers till 100. You can straight off notice a problem here, the way of writing this sum. And that's why mathematicians have found a way better way to write this, which we call summation. Sir Leonhard Euler was the first one to discover this problem. As he was a Swiss mathematician, he found a way to combat this. He discovered summation is a form of writing numbers in mathematics. It's just a way to write very hard extending problems in math. We denote summation by the sigma or pi. So sigma basically means addition in Greek or pi. And because he was a Swiss mathematician, he found this a very feasible way to use in calculations. Now let's learn how to write summations. For example, we will use the same sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus all the way to 100. Over here, we are going to use this kind of a format. First, we write our initial value m below. Then we are going to make the sign sigma and we are going to write a final value n on top. And we are going to write a t sign or summation term which we are going to use as a variable. That we will write I is equal to m, which is basically our initial value, and I over here is our variable. If we take this example of 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 100, we are going to take the initial value as 1. And we are going to take the final value as 100. We are going to take our summation term as I, as our variable is always I. Remember that the variable and the summation term is usually always equal. So this is very simply done, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 all the way to plus 100 is equal to 100 sigma I, where I is equal to 1. So this is the way of writing a summation. Let's try a problem but exactly the opposite of this. We have the question 50 sigma and r is equal to 1, and on the right side we have pi into r square. If we analyze the problem a bit, we will understand that this is the same thing but the vice versa of this, which we just did. Before solving this, I would like to note that summation is always addition. If you don't remember this, you can convert summation, the word summation, which means sum is equal to addition. Now let's come back to the question. So if we take pi as a constant, we can write it pi into r square, and r over here is equal to 1. So it will start by pi into 1 square plus pi into 2 square plus pi into 3 square plus pi into 4 square plus pi into 5 square plus pi into 6 square plus all the way to pi into 50 square plus. So this is how we write summations and how we expand summations. So now let's try a practice question for you. This is the question 34 sigma n is equal to 1 for n plus 31. Please try solving it and try to write your answers in the comment box. Till then, keep watching and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.